Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miracle. I'm a Nigerian travel vlogger who is currently in Kenya. Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you the apartment I am staying in and how much I paid in the apartment and how you can get this kind of apartment if you are in Kenya or you want to come to Kenya. If that sounds interesting, keep watching and subscribe to my channel. See my clothes? Guys, there's a big window here. I don't want to show you that. The wardrobe. Guys, so here is the wardrobe. I love this. I love this. I love this creativity. So beautiful. So I love this creativity. It's so very beautiful. So this is foot mat. I don't know what, I presume this is rug, bedside rug. And this is the beautiful living room. Guys, can you see this? There's nothing like neat place, so I don't know, but me, I love neat place. So this is the living room. So this is the living room. This is television. This is Wi-Fi. This Wi-Fi is what you use to supply. Like they don't have DSTV here. And this beautiful thing, guys, this room is so clean. It's calling my name. This place is calling my name. It look like me. It's kind of thing I like. I love. So um this is the center table, which is so very fine. It's not at the center now, but yeah, this is this here. So if I want more light out on there, out on here, yeah, see, there's more light now. So yeah, and this is the study area, working area. The person that owns this apartment or that designed this apartment have everything. Like that person deserve award. You know that some people who come here would like to work, like they would like to work or study. That everything is provided for you. There's a study place, and there is also this fridge. Guys, see this microwave. This is one of the most expensive microwave on trend right now. And this beautiful fridge. Yeah, I don't have anything in the fridge. I'm saving money. I'm not spending as I spent in Ghana because, guys, so here is cooking gas. This is the first time I'm seeing something like this. And yeah, I bought this water today. This is water. This is a electric kettle. Guys, this person is so very thoughtful. And here are the plates and cup. Guys, I love this, the design of this plate, and the fact that it blend with everything. It is nude. This person must be an interior designer. The person that owns this place or designed this place must be a great interior designer, because everything was top notch. Guys, another thing is that their service is so very very okay. So yeah, yep, this is me. This is your girl. Hi guys, hi guys, hi guys. Guys, I'm looking so beautiful. So yeah, this is water heater. This is the kind of water heater they have in the toilet. It's very very neat. Yep. and this place is where I put my things, my soap and my body scrub because I cannot go a week or two without scrubbing my body. So guys, yeah. Now that you have seen the room, let me give you some information about the room and how you can also book this kind of room if you're coming to Nairobi, Kenya. So first of all, this room they often clean it 2 times in it, like every two days. So the day I filmed this particular one, they just cleaned it and changed the beddings. Also, they used to give towel. Like if they change the beddings, they will give you new towel. That is every two days. So in some apartments they have water. They have water, tissue, and many other things, and lifting tea and sugar in some apartments. While this one I stayed in, the person did not put water. The water I bought by myself, and but there was sugar, there was lifting, and I had milk. I feel like most of the thing in the apartment depend on the owner because this apartment is the second apartment I stayed. The first time I arrived in Kenya, I stayed in one apartment which the owner did not make any arrangement, in spite of the fact that I've been calling her for like a month before I arrived in Kenya. So I later did not use her apartment then. But this man, as I saw his apartment, like everything was in order, and he always like uh, chat me on WhatsApp to check on me. So that is how it is. If you want to book this apartment, you can download a app called Airbnb. So that is where I found a lot of options. So this apartment goes for $15 a day. There are ones that you can see $20, $29, and I think there are ones that are less than this one. That is the one that is they called bed sitter. Like that one don't have living room. You can see that this one has living room, but I don't know about that bed sitter because I could have go for that one. So but after I checked in this one, that was when they told me about this bed sitter that is lesser than this one. So this apartment also come with 24 hours internet. With availability of internet in the apartment, I did not buy internet. I used their own internet. So when you're checking on any apartment in Nairobi, check um on the things that come with the apartment. See if the apartment come with internet supply, because some don't come with internet. Like this particular place I stayed, all the apartment there has internet, because I have checked couple of apartments, so it has internet. But in the website, some apartment don't have internet, and they will indicate that it does not have internet. So I believe, I don't know how internet is in Kenya, and having internet in having internet in this apartment saved me a lot of trouble, and and also a lot of expenses. So make sure you check the apartment you want to book to see if it has this thing, if it has internet. It is very, very important. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video is very informative, and okay guys, see you guys in my next video. Bye.